everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Vlogmas day number 2. If you're wondering why I sound like I just woke up, it's because I took like 2 naps. And it is, hold on, I'm gonna tell you what time it is. It is 2:49. Shit, it's 2:49. And I'm posting a video around 3:20. Now this video, my reels thing, I'm posting the reels reading at 3:20. And then after that, at 4 o'clock, y'all most likely might see this video. If y'all don't see at 4, you're probably gonna see at 5. So yeah, don't mind the fan thing. I hope it doesn't fuck up the audio too crazy, but that just means I have to speak up. So as y'all can see, it is Friday, day Vlogmas / Foodmas day number 2. And usually I would do this on Mondays, but honestly I haven't really been feeling Crumbl. And y'all know I moved and shit like that, but so my Crumbl reviews are gonna be mixed out throughout the week. But make sure you tune into that. I am aiming for Mondays again, but let's see, because I just realized that the best choice is to go in person because delivery be taxed and I don't even know if they deliver to my new address. Anyways, let's do the review on what y'all waiting for. What the fuck just happened to my Boston cream? I don't know if that just happened on camera. Or good thing I took a video. Okay. We're gonna, since it's December and y'all know Christmas, happy holidays to everyone. We're gonna start with the gingerbread cake and we're gonna go right in. Okay, that explains it. So when I bit into it, it was like really good. You get the gingerbread taste kind of thing, but then all of a sudden I started tasting the cream cheese. I hate Crumbl cream cheese. I legit do hate Crumbl cream cheese because I just don't like how it tastes. It tastes like so artificial to me. Like I need real cream cheese. So I'm gonna take another bite because y'all know the rule. We take 2 bites, sometimes 3 or 4, but we do take 2 bites just to confirm my rating. The cream cheese frosting definitely threw me off all day, so I'm gonna give that a solid 7. Y'all already know y'all must have water when y'all do any kind of ratings, because if I don't see the water, it's not real. It's not a real rating. So this is the lemon crackle. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Was this one right here? I feel like this is gonna be good because I really like lemon. First bite, I don't really taste lemon. I really taste like a sugar cookie. So I'm gonna take another bite to confirm my rating. I just took it directly off the middle because I know the side don't taste like lemon. And that's why I keep eating. I don't get a lemon taste at all. It tastes like a sugar cookie. So I'm gonna give that. The sides are crunchy though. That's something I do give. Like the sides are crunchy. It's a tad bit hard to swallow, but it doesn't taste like lemon. The aftertaste, like after I drank the water, I taste a little bit of lemon. But when I'm eating a cookie, I don't taste no lemon at all. So I'm gonna give that one a solid 7. That's a 7 too. Honestly, y'all, another reason why my rating's been late is because I'm not feeling Crumbl no more. And that's like me being 100% honest with y'all. I am not feeling Crumbl no more. I feel like Crumbl is not how it was when I wanted to start doing it. For me, like before, like Crumbl used to have crazy ass shit. This is not crazy. Like, you know, especially because they be taxing for these cookies. So if you taxing, please make my experience worth it. But whatever. Am I still gonna do it? Yeah. Yeah, I am. This is the green mint, and it says it has cookies and cream as well. And honestly, I think this is gonna be my favorite one because I like mint chocolate ice cream. And if you don't like mint chocolate ice cream, you're so freaking weird. Like, a lot of people be calling us weird, but you're really weird if you don't like mint chocolate ice cream. So I feel like I'm really gonna be fucking with this one. And I'm not gonna lie, Crumbl be doing their thing when it comes to like mint stuff. That's what I'm talking about. This is so good. I feel like Crumbl, I know I just talk a lot of shit about them, but Crumbl, when it comes to cookies and cream cookies, they're gonna do their thing. Like, they be really stepping on cookies and cream cookies. This is super good. I'm gonna give that a solid 9.7. Not gonna lie. It's a tag. I don't like cookies when it's dry afterwards, so that's why it's not getting a 10. But the mint is not too much. It's like a perfect balance, I feel like. And if you're like me and you're really into like mint chocolate, you're gonna love that cookie for a fact. So don't cop up. Let me stop. Cop if y'all want to. So my Boston cream donut, I think, honestly, I think when I was showing y'all it broke. I'm gonna break it in half because it's all over the place. And I'm not really a Boston cream kind of girl, so I don't think I'm really gonna like this cookie. I have a lot of mixed feelings. The pie is very soft. I really like that. I feel like the pie is like, the base is really soft, and I guess the cream, it is fluffy. It doesn't taste bad, but I don't really taste anything at all. I'm gonna take another bite to confirm it, but I don't taste nothing, but it just feels good to chew, you know? I think I taste a little bit more now. I don't know, it just tastes, I'm guessing that's what the cream tastes like. But the cream on top is like fluffy, which I really like. Even though it doesn't have a strong flavor taste I thought it was gonna have, it is fluffy, and I really do like that. So I'm gonna give that one a solid, I'm gonna give it an 8. So my ratings this week is not too high. So like in every Crumbl review, as y'all know, I do kind of describing like why would you like each cookie. I need more water. Oh, I'm gonna make sure I let y'all know all the good ones. For the green mint, you're gonna like that if you're into mint chocolate. I'm into mint chocolate and I love that cookie. Crumbl has one of the best cookies and cream cookies I have ever had in my life. That's something I'll give to Crumbl. Like, y'all have really good cookies and cream cookies. And most cookies that they combine with the cookies and cream does so well because of how the cookies and cream cookie base actually tastes. Like, that one is super good, especially if you love that. The lemon crinkle, it doesn't taste like lemon, honestly. I did get a tad bit of aftertaste afterwards, but it's not really too much on the lemon kind of vibe. So I feel like if, I don't know how lemon crinkle, I feel like I'm saying this so wrong. Anyways, y'all get what I'm saying. So I feel like if you like sugar cookies, you're gonna like that cookie. And if you like a little bit of lemon afterwards, you're gonna like that cookie. I don't feel like that cookie, it has its own category of it. It's like you either fuck with it or you hate it because of how crunchy it is, honestly. The ginger cake, I really didn't, I don't want to say I hated it because the cookie didn't taste bad. It did taste good, like the ginger and shit like that. But I feel like if you're into cream cheese frosting, you're going to like that. I'm into cream cheese, but I hate Crumbl's cream cheese frosting. Like, it is so nasty to me. So yeah, I think you're gonna like that cookie. If you're into ginger and cream cheese frosting, that's gonna be the perfect cookie for you. The Boston cream pie, okay, that cookie didn't taste bad. I think if you're a texture person when it comes to flavor, because I'm definitely a textural person, like sometimes I like playing with the food in my mouth. That sounds mad, yo. But I do like plain. I like textures of food. That texture food that makes me like certain foods more, which is crazy to say, but it's true. But yeah, if you're definitely into a texture person, you're definitely gonna like that cookie. And that's it for today's Crumbl reviews. Make sure you comment down below videos you want me to do. I am posting every single day for Vlogmas. It's 3:02. I need to hurry up and edit a video so I can post it. And y'all gonna see on Instagram. But make sure y'all comment down below what else y'all want me to do for Vlogmas. I have a Trader Joe haul that's going to be after this video. Actually, 2 videos after, because the next video, at the end of each video, I'm going to let y'all know what video I'm doing next, unless I don't know. Next video after this is going to be if you want to sell food in college, I got your back. And I'm going to give y'all all the tips. I have like a whole PDF document for y'all. So yeah, it's gonna be a long ass video, so make sure y'all get y'all food ready for that video, and I'm gonna give y'all all the tips. I'm gonna let y'all know how y'all make a side income, where to buy it from, how to like best tips and all that shit. Like, it's an hour. I believe that one is definitely gonna be like an hour long, because I gave so many gems in that video. And yeah, if you don't want to watch the whole thing, if you don't watch it one watch, then just take breaks, because that's gonna be a long video. But it's an educated video, and when I give y'all advice on anything, when this comes to like, I don't want to say education, but like when it comes to like business questions y'all have, like relating to business, I got y'all. I'm gonna be as specific as I can get. And if y'all feel like I'm not specific enough, feel free to comment down below. I don't mind doing a part 2 to it, because if I'm making money, I want y'all to make money. And selling food was a job for me for 3 years. Well, really 2 years. No, really 3 years. Yeah. So I made it a full-time job. I did not have to work another job while selling food, and I pay rent too. So yeah. And I can relate to a lot of people when I'm not popular. I don't have all these connections with people. I'm very shy too, so I'm shy to put myself out there. But yeah, that's the next video. So if y'all want to know more about that, tune in. If y'all don't care and y'all just don't want food reviews, the video after that, so day 4 Vlogmas, is going to be Trader Joe's winter items. And then the video after that is going to be me trying them, because I said last time I was going to do it and I never did it. Well, I'll take clips of it, but I'm going to just do one whole video of me trying it all at once. So yeah, tune into that. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and make sure y'all tune in into Vlogmas and Vlogmas, because your girl be posting every single day, and I got y'all back.